Alright class, before we get started, I want to do some important announcements. We only have 2 weeks left of school. We have this week and next week before it is out. I want to make sure you understand that the last day to make up assignments is on Friday, so it's very important. Friday, you really want to make sure that if you do any makeup work, please email me so I can go ahead and put all those assignments in. But I am not going to go through all the assignments anymore. I already did 3 makeup work entries. So if you are doing it last minute, you want to make sure you email me the names of the assignments so I can look them up and put them in. We will be reviewing today and next week for the final. The final is going to be next week and more information will come. In the beginning of this, I asked you what are a few things that you need to solve this, and go ahead and see if you answered with any of these. What I want you to do is I also want you to draw this in your notebook and write exactly what is on the slide. Find the equation of the line by finding the slope, find the y-intercept, and put it together and write in your equation using the y equals mx plus b. Okay? Pause the video if you haven't finished writing all this, because I will be showing how to solve this. This is a reminder because this will be showing up in our final, so make sure you have this note, and we'll be practicing the next 2 days. Alright, let's go ahead and check this one out. First thing, we're going to find the m using the slope. Don't forget these coordinates, x1, y1, x2, y2. And the reason why I'm doing this, again, this is my first point, this is my second point. My second point needs to be labeled as x2, y2. We are going to be using this formula. Please make sure you plug this in. If I am going too fast, you can always pause the video at the end and finish off getting the notes. Next one here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this in. Y2 minus y1. So again, 9 minus 3 and 4 minus 1. Notice all I did was do y, top 1 minus bottom 1, top 1 minus bottom 1. And I get 6 over 3. Again, if you can reduce it, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Well, that's my m. My m is 2. So I have my m, which is going to be right here. And my m is going to be 2. So I need to find the b now. I need to pick one of my points. In this case, I'm just going to pick the first point. Again, don't forget, this is my x and this is my y. And I am going to be plugging this into y equals mx plus b. Well, now that I have my slope and 1 point, I can solve for b because I have these other pieces. My y is 3. My m, which is my slope, is 2. And then my x is 1. And I'm solving for b. All I'm going to do is 2 times 1 and get 2. And don't forget, inverse operation here. And what happens here? This cancels out. And I'm going to be left with 3 minus 2, which is 1. B is 1. If you need to, pause the video right here. Make sure you have this for your notes. I will be putting practice up in the next lesson, but I just wanted to do a mini refresher.